Title of the story: Peter Rabbit's Camping by the Lake. One sunny morning, Peter Rabbit decided to go on a camping adventure by the lake. He packed his backpack with carrots, a cozy blanket, and his favorite book. Hopping along the forest trail, Peter soon arrived at the shimmering lake, surrounded by tall, whispering trees. Peter found the perfect spot near the water's edge and set up his little tent. As he was settling in, he noticed something sparkling in the lake. Curious, he hopped closer and saw a friendly fish poking its head out of the water. "Hello, Peter," said the fish. "Welcome to our lake. Would you like to go on a boat ride?" Peter's eyes lit up with excitement. The fish led him to a tiny, leaf-made boat that floated gently on the water. Peter hopped in, and they set off across the lake, the breeze tickling his whiskers. As they glided along, Peter saw ducks playing, frogs singing, and dragonflies dancing above the water. It was the most peaceful and beautiful sight he had ever seen. After the boat ride, Peter returned to his campsite. As the sun began to set, he sat by the lake, nibbling on his carrots and listening to the sounds of nature. He felt happy and calm, knowing that this was a day he would never forget. When night fell, Peter snuggled into his blanket inside the tent, dreaming of more adventures to come. The stars twinkled above, and the gentle waves of the lake lulled him to sleep. The end.